Okay, once you have your data loaded in R, then you can start working with it. Okay, so one thing is you can use the function called names, and this will return to you the variable or column names that are stored in the data set. So our data set is called cdc underscore weight underscore xer, and if I put in the command names, it tells me that there's two columns. One is weight and one is exercise. So to see the actual data within each of these columns, I type in cdc underscore weight underscore exercise, or xer, and I put in the $sign, and I can type in weight. And this tells R, return me the entire column of all of the weights. And you can see that it has a ton of numbers for the weights. And if I did the same thing, except exercise, it will return a whole bunch of zeros and ones indicating which ones have exercised and have not. Okay, so if we wanted to put this into to calculate the mean of something, I can type in mean cdc underscore weight underscore exercise and put in $sign weight, and this is the mean of all of the weights in there. I can type in exercise, and this tells me that 67% of the people in exercise, these people have exercised. And so if we want to conduct a t-test, I can do t-test, and this is where the thing changes a little bit. What we want is we want to understand the weight as explained by the little tilde, the squiggly sign, usually in the upper left-hand corner of your keyboard, indicates that we want the weight as explained by the variable exercise. And this will conduct a t-test, and we can see the results of this here. And this is done by loading the weight and exercise data set into R. And here we can see that according to this data set, our t statistic is 2.43796. We have 690.7 degrees of freedom, and the resulting p-value is 0.015, which is quite small. We see that the mean in the exercise group is 167, and the mean in the non-exercise group is 173. It's only a difference of about 6 pounds, which does not seem like much, but when we take into account that we've looked at about 1,200 people, that difference is actually significant, and the probability of us seeing a difference of about 6 pounds just by random chance is only 0.015. Okay? And that's a two-sided test.